Okay, hey guys, we're going to do a quick demo video on how to install these washable carpet stair treads for these wooden stairs that we have in our basement. Real quick, the reason I'm putting these up is because our dog, he's 13, and I've noticed that when he's been climbing up these stairs, he's been slipping, and at his age, definitely don't want him to slip when he's somewhere up in the middle, falls down, he can break a leg. So these stair treads that I have here, I'll give you a link to the brand. I got these from Amazon. I think these are the brand is KOOTETA. Not sure if I'm pronouncing it right. It's either KOOTETA or Potato Patata, or maybe Hakuna Matata, but whatever, I'll put a link. These are, because this is my basement, these are not the most expensive ones, but these are pretty good as well. The key feature for why I got them is they are reusable and washable. So we'll show you when we install them, but they already have a slightly sticky surface, kind of like a post-it. So the concept is, we peel this off, stick it down. The glue is enough to keep it firm when people walk, and we'll do a demo. Also stay tuned, because the final part of the video will be our dog doing a demo. So you really want to stay tuned for that. And then once they're down, I already did a few. I'll end the installation when I show you how I'll do the last two stairs up there. But if you look down on the ones I've already installed, they are very firm, but also kind of like a post-it again, removable. You can throw them in your washing machine, wash them, and then put them back. So very useful. So let's see how you install these. All you need is a quick install. You need a tape measure, Scotch tape. I've already measured the whole length of the stair, and I know that I need to center them, I need to get them 4 inches off from the wall. You'll need to measure your stairs obviously and get them accurately for what you need. So I've done up to here. I'm gonna do this step. What I use are 2 pieces of tape that I've already cut. I keep using the same one on different steps. One is, I'll show you why I use the tape in a minute. So the first thing is you measure the 4 inches from the wall, and you put this tape at the 4-inch mark. So that tells you, where you need to put your lay your stair tread down. And then I'll use another piece for the bottom. I know exactly how far off I wanna put these in. So I'm measuring my length. You can decide what length you want for your own. I'm just doing a little bit more than 1 inch from the edge. It's just my choice. You can do whatever you want. So once you've gotten, it's now I think difficult to see, but I have a tape there and I have a tape here, and I just have to place my mat over there, and that'll be the right position. So they give you a little handy open sticker. So this lets you easily take out the plastic piece. You take it out. It's very staticky, so it doesn't get off you. But now I know exactly where I need to put it down from the tape. I'll set it down to the 4-inch tape and the bottom as well. And I've taken it easy on measuring this side. If you really want to be exact, I would have put a 3rd piece of tape down here so you can get this, straight lengthwise. But these are my basement steps, so I'm not going to be that careful with them. I'm just going to eyeball my right-hand side of the steps. And then when you have them down, it's just a bit of pressure, straighten them out. And that's it. That's all you need. You can see these are firmly in, but you could also peel them off to wash them and then place them back, and they go back in firm as well. So we'll do another step just to complete this. I'll use the same tape again, 4 inches from here. Quickly put the tape down. My measurement from down on this side. Quickly put it down. We'll do the next one. Handy open sticker. Get rid of the plastic. and lay it against the tape that's pre-measured. And eyeball the other side so it's more or less straight, and then put pressure and lay it down flat. And that's all it is. You know, you could look at most of these, they are straight. I'll do the last two, and then as I promised, we'll get our dog to do a demo. One thing I do want to point out, just something I didn't like, I don't think it'll be a problem, but you can notice these things have a little bit of a fold in the middle. So that's a negative. The reason for that is, you know, when they ship it from Amazon, actually the manufacturer, sorry, they give you, this is a set of 15, so they divide them into about half and they fold them over each other. So the box you get them in is just this long instead of, you know, the full length. But then what happens, you can see there's a bit of a fold. And if you look at this one that I just laid down, there's a little bit of a rise there that I'm not happy with. And I think you would just need to press it down much more. And so this is something I really wish they hadn't done. They would have been better off just giving them to us flat. Other than that, these are pretty sturdy. I like the concept of being reusable, washable. Again, this is KOOTETA. Put a link, and next part will be a dog doing a demo, making sure that these work for him. Thanks for watching, guys, and give us a like and a subscription. Thanks. Brenna, come, let's go. Let's go, Brenna. Brent, go up. Good boy. Good boy, Brenna. Let's go. That worked great, I think. So normally, you know, before this, his back legs were slipping off here. And now you can see he was able to walk up really good. Again, thanks for watching. And one last tip, you know, I was doing the measurements, but also keep in mind, because these are reusable, you can lift them up so easily. You know, once you stick them, you're not committed. If you find one of these put incorrectly, just lift it up, measure again, and lay it flat exactly the way you want it to be. It'll go back down and stick exactly the same way. So really good feature from these KOOTETA stair treads. Thanks for watching.